So like we said, we're doing, it's a dry hair detangle. And because the hair is really matted here, it's all matted. Can you see right here the top layer? It's matted down all, like most of her bangs are matted back in. We really got to make sure we soak it. So we use a product called the Takedown Remover. And we're going to saturate the hair, it has to be dry hair, with this. And as we detangle, the first time when you saturate it, you're really just doing the outer layer. The product is not going all the way in yet, but every day we put more and more product and it'll permeate in and start to soften. But the first thing is to soften the outer layer to get in. You can't get into the bottom and to the base or to the roots without softening the outer layer, the outer web of matted hair. So that's what we're doing first. And make sure, remember the valley we told you all about? You got to get in that valley.
Wait, I should have Oh, it's me. But like, I'll get it. Oh, I don't care. Or you can use any brush you want. I like that.
As you start to put the Takedown Remover Cream on, you'll notice how the hair starts to get softer, starts to get looser, starts to work, softening that outer layer. Like this knot was kind of flat down there, now it's standing up. So we're softening that outer layer little by little. We're still going to heat, so we're going to wrap our hair in plastic, and we're going to heat. The plastic just seals in as we heat. Makes the cream kind of soften up the hair a little bit more, kind of like marinating it in. So it's not a conditioner, you know, it looks creamy like that, but it's not. It's just a conditioning cream, but not a water-based conditioner that you would use after shampooing your hair. So we're going to massage it in some more, and then we'll be back and show you how we're going to wrap it before we heat it.